Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever checked your credit score and immediately felt stressed? Like your whole financial life is being judged by one number? Because in 2026, your credit score affects almost everything. Apartments, car loans, interest rates, even job applications in some cases. But here's the truth most people don't realize. There's a simple credit score fix that's going viral this year, and it has nothing to do with getting rich overnight. It's about small, boring habits that quietly push your score up month after month. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what actually builds a strong credit score, what secretly damages it, and the viral 2026 method people are using to fix their credit without stress. No confusing finance talk, no unrealistic advice, just real life, simple steps you can start today. Let's get into it. Why everyone is talking about credit scores in 2026. In 2026, credit scores matter more than ever. Rent is higher, interest rates fluctuate, lenders are stricter, so even a small difference in your credit score can cost you thousands over time. A good score can mean lower car payments, better apartment approvals, lower interest rates, more financial freedom. A bad score, higher deposits, loan rejections, stress every time you apply for something. That's why fixing your credit score has become one of the biggest personal finance trends this year. Not investing first, not side hustles first, credit health first. The biggest credit score myth. Most people think, I just need more money to fix my credit. That's not true. You can earn a high income and still have a low credit score. You can earn an average income and build an excellent one. Credit score is not about how rich you are, it's about how consistent you are. Consistency beats income when it comes to credit. And that's where this viral 2026 fix comes in. How credit scores actually work, simple version. Let's simplify this. Your credit score mainly comes from 5 things: payment history, credit usage, length of credit history, credit mix, new credit inquiries. But here's what matters most. Payment history and credit usage make up the majority. That means 2 simple habits can change everything. Paying on time, keeping balances low, that's it. Sounds simple, but most people aren't consistent with these. The viral credit score fix for 2026. So what's the viral method people are using? It's called the weekly credit check habit. Instead of ignoring money all month and stressing at the end, you check and manage your credit weekly. Just 10 minutes. Here's what people are doing: checking balances weekly, making small payments weekly, keeping usage low before statement dates, avoiding missed due dates, tracking subscriptions and spending. This keeps your credit healthy in real time, not once a year, not when there's a problem, every week. And this small habit alone can raise your score steadily over months. The 30-day credit score reset plan. If you want to reset your credit habits this month, start here. Week 1, check everything. Look at all cards, balances, due dates. Week 2, lower usage. Try to keep each card below 30% usage. Even lower is better. Week 3, automate payments. Set minimum payments on autopay. This prevents late payments. Week 4, stop unnecessary applications. Too many credit checks can lower your score temporarily. Repeat this monthly. Slow improvements become big changes. Mistakes that secretly destroy credit scores. Let's talk about what to avoid. Missing even one payment, maxing out cards, closing old credit cards suddenly, applying for too many cards, ignoring statements. These habits quietly drop your score, and most people don't realize it until it's too late. Building a calm relationship with credit. Your credit score is not your identity, it's just a number, a financial tool. The goal isn't perfection, the goal is progress. When you check it weekly and stay consistent, you stop feeling scared of it. You start feeling in control, and that's powerful. Fixing your credit score doesn't require extreme steps, just small, consistent habits. The viral 2026 credit fix is simple: pay on time, keep balances low, check weekly, stay consistent. If you're starting your credit score reset this month, comment below, Credit Reset 2026. And if you want more calm, realistic money advice for families, couples, and everyday life, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for spending this time with me. See you in the next video.